Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move text boxes or change a text box position using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option, and here you will find this edit option. Click here and select text. Now click on this text box and see this text box now active. Now click on this up, down and left right arrow from your keyboard and you can move it, and see this, move it left and this right. Also put your mouse cursor this text box border line and move it anywhere. You can move this text box and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can move your text box anywhere, any place if you want. And see this text box also you can move it. See this, anywhere you can move it also your keyboard arrow using. And yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.